So guys, the craziness of the Mobile World Congress is still going on. There was so much content I tried to cover, but again, I had to come back to my hotel to talk about this one. Now, this is a special phone. It's the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact that we have come across here in Barcelona. Now, OnePlus doesn't have a booth at the event, but they made sure that we could get a quick look, which I'm getting to you, of the Genshin Impact smartphone. So a quick look on what the box has, what the phone looks like, and whether something like this would interest you. Let's take a quick look. The Genshin Impact OnePlus 12R. Alright guys, so this is the box in which the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact comes in, and it looks quite fancy. The packaging in itself tells that this is a perfect phone for someone who loves Genshin Impact and has been playing the game for a while now. But again, we'll just have a look inside the box and see what it offers. Again, this is not an unboxing. I'm just showing you what the box gets because yeah, I opened the box. I was too curious to have a look at it. So let's just check inside, and yeah, this is the smartphone that you get. The packaging is quite nice. I mean, it's been boxed very nicely. It's pretty compact, and it's something that you obviously like. There's the documentation also, and also there's I think there's a sticker or a buckle. Oh yeah, it's a buckle. And once we take out the other ingredients, again, document. Ooh, what are these? I think these are some custom stickers that you can have. I mean, I'm not going to dive deep into it because I don't really play a lot of Genshin Impact, but for people who do, great, you have a lot to look forward to. There's also the red cable club card. You can just put that aside, and also there is the charger and the charging cable. So the color theme purple everywhere, that's all that you get in the box. But again, what is really exciting about this is the actual phone. So why don't we keep this aside and I'll give you a quick look at the phone which has been launched. So this is the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition that yes, confirmed for India. So if you're out into the market to get one of these, you can get it indeed. Now it's again based on the OnePlus 12R, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. So not a lot of difference in terms of what you get from the OnePlus 12R. It's just that it's a themed smartphone, and people who are fans of Genshin Impact would love this. Again, you are entitled to get early bird discounts on no cost EMI, so you can have a look at those as well. But talking about the back panel, that's really something that has taken a lot of attention online. And yes, it's the King logo, special character, again engraving on the smartphone, and company says it's used some electro etching process to make these, which looks absolutely fantastic. This has 512 GB of storage and 16 GB of RAM inside, and basic specifications. You don't really need to dive deep into it, but again, this is a fan-based thing. The game in itself will take over 100 GB when all the resources are downloaded, so it's a pretty heavy game considering that you're getting a special phone for a special game. 6.78 inch 1.5K resolution display here, and then in-display fingerprint sensor. You have a triple camera setup at the back, 50 megapixel primary shooter. You have a 5500 mAh battery that supports 100 watt fast charging, and this phone is based on Android 14 with Oxygen OS 14. So pretty much, yes, the same thing that you get on the OnePlus 12R. But again, OnePlus trying to attract a very niche market, people who like Genshin Impact, because the popularity of the game in India, I really don't know how many people play Genshin Impact. You can probably let us know in the comments if you are someone who plays. Moreover, people in India want to play shooter games like PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile, but I think this is a good move that OnePlus is looking to target. In the international market, I'm sure there are a lot of players who would like a smartphone like this, but in India, I think Genshin Impact might not have that kind of fanfare, but who knows, you might just like this phone. So this was a quick look at the Genshin Impact Edition smartphone. Again, not a part of the Mobile World Congress, but it was we gained access separately. Hope you like it. Let us know in the comment section what you think about this phone. And again, for everything tech, stay tuned to Fiber.